What's good, guys? So I've heard that there's a Dodge somewhere around here. Where we're going? Okay, I think I know where we're going. We'll just go where I think we're going here in a minute. Anyways, I know it's been a while since we've done our last video, but today we're back, and we're in Off-Road Outlaws. Like I was saying, we had some news of a nice little Dodge single door or two door. Oh, there's a crate in the water here. Let's get that really quick. Don't mind me just submerging my second gen, my trailer here into the water just to grab this crate. Ooh, 15 gold. I didn't catch the amount of cash I just got. Anyways, let's get turned around here. Don't mind me just rolling some coal. So anyways, yeah, it's been a while. I've not uploaded a video for a while because of, school and stuff. Just been really busy. So, yeah. Let's see here. Where are we going? Okay, cool. Yeah. And, yeah, so I have been really busy. We've had some troubles with family and whatnot, and so yeah, I just haven't gotten around to it. Okay, let me get back. What are we going to do really quick? Sorry, I'm just confused of where we're going. I'm not checking my map constantly because, yeah, no, that's annoying because then it stopped my driving mid map check, so I'm going to check really quick. Actually, hold on, I think I know where it is. Oh, that was close. I almost just bottomed out on the trailer, high centered. So, can we get up this hill? Yeah, that was a bit tough, but we did it. Where are we going? Hold on. 1 second. Okay. We are somehow managing to climb these hills. And I don't like this. I feel like I'm gonna fall off. This isn't very wide. Let me check the map again. Hold on. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. I think I'll check my map in a minute. Oh god, oh goodness, oh goodness, oh goodness. Ooh, yeah, I think I'm gonna need to repair my trailer instead of a truck. So, yeah. We'll hop along here in the desert. Can I get up here? Just barely. Let's go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to polish the bottom of this trailer after this video, because, what is that? Is that the Dodge? Oh goodness, oh goodness. Okay, hold on. I'm afraid that this might be someone's truck and they're still around, but no, I don't think so. It looks very like it's been sitting out for a while. Let's pull out the drone and take a look at it. Hold on, it's been a while since I've flown one. Ooh, I like the flag on the back. It's very rusty, if I don't say so myself. Yeah, it needs some parts. It's got no front bumper, it's got no back bumper, the front rims are very rusted. But somehow in all of that, the axles are still fairly clean. Yeah, that roof rack needs de-rusted as well. So let's hop back into the first gen, pull over here, detach the trailer, hop back into the Dodge. This thing runs a bit weird. Let's get it into the trailer, attached trailer, and let's get back to the shed, or the yard. And we usually have ads after, get ads after you leave a server or something. So, I played this game, it's really dumb. Gotta wait 5 seconds so we can completely close out of the ad. Okay, here we go. So, as you can see on my trailer, it says K9 Custom and Build, or Detailing and Rebuilds. Yeah, let's unload this truck and get working on it. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. Let's repair it. Then let's give it a wash. And let's take it into the customization shop and get it cleaned up. Ooh, yeah, it needs some work desperately. Let's go to the body or paint shop, get it, remove all the rust, and get rid of these unwanted paint blotches. Need to fix this flag. There we go. Much better. Yes, a good American truck. I don't care what y'all say about Ford and Dodge, or Dodge being worse than Ford. I personally think you're wrong. Let's go with this bumper because it's got the skid plate on the bottom. Let's go with the stock bumper because, yeah. You need to de-rust this roof rack. Yeah, okay, it's already got a winch there. And body armor? No, jack, we've already got that. Lights are okay. No, okay, yeah, I think we're done for here. Yep, okay, everything's good. Supply mods, or add paint job. So, let's go back to the shop and, yeah, go to rooms. I think I'm gonna do like a black. See how that looks. And I think I might go with a gray. Yeah, I like that look. Yeah, let's go with that. So we go back to rooms here. Yeah, I like that. That looks about the same. Okay, let's buy that. Let's throw this into the trailer and, oh, gotta check the suspension first, make sure nothing's snapped. Yeah, I like it. It looks a lot better than it did. Let's load this onto the truck, or the trailer, sorry. Hop on the first gen and let's get going. So we're gonna detach the trailer, hop into the other Dodge, and yeah, you can tell a difference in performance. So yeah, the drive's a lot better. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you would, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.